दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे YouTube चैनल इंग्लिश बाबू पर। और आज मैं फिर हाजिर हूँ आपके साथ। और दोस्तों, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है ये इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में नहीं है, क्योंकि आमतौर पर जो वीडियोस मैं आपके लिए लेकर आता हूँ, जहाँ मैं किसी भी एक इंग्लिश स्टोरी को हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ, तो दोस्तों ये आज का वीडियो ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में नहीं है, बल्कि ये जो आज का वीडियो है ये पूरी तरह से रीडिंग के ऊपर बेस्ड है। क्योंकि आप में से ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो मुझे कमेंट करते हैं और बताते हैं कि सर हम इंग्लिश को कई बार रीड भी नहीं कर पाते हैं। तो दोस्तों, रीडिंग एक ऐसी ज़रूरी एक कह सकते हैं कि प्रोसेस है इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए, जो बहुत ज़्यादा नेसेसरी है अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए। और हम में से ऐसे कई लोग हैं जो इंग्लिश को ठीक से नहीं पढ़ पाते, या फिर जो हम रीड करते हैं तो कई बार जो हमारी जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होती है वो उसमें प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो दोस्तों, आज का ये जो सेशन है ये बेसिकली इंग्लिश रीडिंग के ही बारे में है पूरी तरह से। और आज मैं एक इंग्लिश की मेरे पास बुक है जिसे मैं रीड करने वाला हूँ। और दोस्तों, इस रीडिंग के अंदर मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि इसे बिल्कुल स्लोली धीरे धीरे इसको मैं पढूं, ताकि एक एक शब्द को आप अच्छे से सुन सकें, समझ सकें, और जो आप लोगों की जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन की प्रॉब्लम है वो थोड़ी दूर हो सके। और दोस्तों, रीडिंग करने के कई सारे बेनिफिट्स होते हैं। इससे हमारी क्लैरिटी अच्छी होती है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन अच्छी होती है। उसके अलावा दोस्तों, जो हमारी इंग्लिश बोलने की फ्लुएंसी है उसके अंदर भी अच्छी खासी इम्प्रूवमेंट इससे आती है। तो दोस्तों, चलिए, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आज की जो हमारा जो वीडियो है ये ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में नहीं है, ये बेसिकली होने वाला है इंग्लिश बुक रीडिंग के बारे में। तो दोस्तों, मैं इसको पैसेज को आज पढ़ना शुरू करता हूँ। आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इसे बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुने और एक एक वर्ड को आप ध्यान से सुने, क्योंकि इसे मैं काफ़ी स्लो रीड करूँगा ताकि आप इसको अच्छे से समझ सकें। और दोस्तों, यदि पॉसिबल हो तो आप भी मेरे साथ रीड करें। तो चलिए इसको शुरू करते हैं। The spirit of India. Let's begin. Here is an interesting observation made about India by Romain Rolland, one of the globally celebrated authors. If there is one place on the face of the earth where all the dreams of living men have found a home from the very earliest days when man began the dream of existence, it is India. Can you find out the tributes given to India by Max Muller, Albert Einstein, Mark Twain, and other authors? Discuss in groups what could have been the salient features of India which impressed them. Our magnificent India. Amrit was on a holiday tour with her family. She was enjoying her visit to the Mudumalai forest. Sitting at the dining table in the evening, she thanked her father for the tour. Thank you so much, Dad. Today we saw elephants, deer, tigers, and a flying squirrel. I never thought I could see so many animals. She spoke. What about those monkeys and birds? Shravan, her younger brother, remarked. I enjoyed the boat ride along the Periyar River, said mother. Dilip, her father, smiled and said, I am happy you enjoyed yourselves. But India has so much to give us. The flora and fauna in our country is quite amazing. The forts, palaces, temples, and other architectural marvels need a long time to be seen, and they gravitate your attention and curiosity. Is that so? Can you tell us more about India? Amrit and Shravan asked excitedly. Yes, India is one of the countries which has a rich culture and heritage. It is nearly 5,000 years old. We were rich in knowledge, skills, and art forms. For example, Nalanda was one of the oldest universities in the world where several hundred people from other countries came to learn. We had famous poets like Kalidas, Valmiki, Tulsidas, Kamban, and many others who gave us wonderful poetry and literature. Our architectural marvels like the Konark Temple in Odisha and the Brihadiswara Temple in Tamil Nadu were built by our erstwhile kings. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are examples of our excellent in sculpture, continued their father. That is indeed interesting, said Amrit. Their father explained further. In the medical field, we practiced several systems like Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani forms of medicine. We lived close to nature and were extremely conscious of our ecosystems. To give you an example, Kerala is a state which is known for its excellent ecosystem. It is called God's own country. Wow! Exclaimed Shravan. West Bengal was known for its rich contribution to culture and literature. We have persons of eminence like Rabindranath Tagore and educators like Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. The entire northeast region of India has a rich native culture. Their dances, music, and lifestyle close to nature are something which we should admire and learn, said their father. You did not tell us about the Himalayas, said Shravan. Yes, the Himalayas are the pride of India. The entire belt defines our border with other countries. It is the source of several rivers such as the Ganga, the Indus, and the Brahmaputra. Are there hill stations that we could visit? Asked Amrit. Of course, we have beautiful hill stations like Darjeeling, Shimla, Gangtok, and Shillong. We should certainly visit them sometime. Dad, have you ever been to Kashmir? Asked Shravan. Yes, several times. I love Kashmir. It is the cradle of Mother Nature. The wonderful Dal Lake, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, and several gardens are mesmerizing. Have you seen any palaces or forts? Asked Amrit. Yes, the Mysore Palace and Lalitha Mahal in Karnataka, and the palaces in Jaipur and Jodhpur are indeed worth visiting. They help us to understand the glory of India in its early years. Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra. We need to visit the same when we make a trip to the Taj Mahal, said their father. Great, Dad, we never knew India had so much to tell us, exclaimed Amrit and Shravan. This is just a bit of what you need to know about India. Even in terms of science and technology, we were doing well. We were proficient in subjects like astronomy, mathematics, metallurgy, textiles, and medicine, said their father. What about sports and games? Asked Shravan. Oh, yes, we had several forms of sports and games. The Indian folk games were very engaging and developed brotherhood, cordiality, and well being among people. Further, they also involved intellectual engagement. We have many religions also, isn't it? Asked Amrit. True. India is an abode of several religions. The objectives of all religions is to promote unconditional love and the spirit of service among people. For example, if you go to the Golden Temple in Amritsar, you will find how they organize langars for over a lakh of people every day. Their spirit of service is something we should all emulate. Tell us about the different dance forms of India, said Amrit eagerly. Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Manipuri, and Kathak are some of the classical dance forms of India. There are folk dances also, such as Bhangra, Ghumar, Dandiya, Bihu, and Garba. Dad, I am so delighted today. Please tell me how we can know more about India. The children asked in unison. All you need to do is to go to the library and look for books relating to India and read them. You may also do your search on the internet to collect more information about India, their father suggested. Amrit remarked, Dad, whenever I took an oath in school, India is my country. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट, आई डिड नॉट नो इंडिया वॉज सो ग्रेट। चलिए, तो दोस्तों इस तरह से ये एक छोटा सा एक इंग्लिश का पैराग्राफ था जो मैंने आज रीड करा, और मैंने अपनी तरफ से कोशिश की हर एक वर्ड को अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस करने की, ताकि जो लोग भी इस वीडियो को सुने वो अच्छे से इसको समझ सकें। और दोस्तों आमतौर पर जो इस तरह के वीडियोस है वो काफ़ी कम मैं लेकर आता हूँ, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर जो वीडियोस मैं लेके आता हूँ वो ग्रामर और ट्रांसलेशन से रिलेटेड होते हैं। और आज का जो वीडियो बनाने का जो लक्ष्य है, या कह सकते हैं जो उसका उद्देश्य है, वो यही है कि जिन लोगों को इंग्लिश सही से पढ़नी नहीं आती है, या फिर जिन लोगों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कमियां हैं या जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, वो उन लोगों को इससे लाभ मिल सके। और उसके अलावा दोस्तों रीडिंग जो है एक बहुत अच्छी प्रैक्टिस है, क्योंकि रीडिंग करने से सिर्फ आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन इम्प्रूव नहीं होगी, क्लैरिटी भी अच्छी होगी, और आप इस बात को भी महसूस करेंगे कि जो आपकी इंग्लिश बोलने की फ्लुएंसी है वो भी बेटर होती है। सो गाइज, इट वॉज टुडेज सेशन। आई होप यू enjoyed this, and if you did so, do like this video and share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that when I upload the new video you get the notification. And apart from this guys, as I have already told you, I mean such videos I do not bring on a regular basis, but when I see any comment and people ask me to make reading video, then I bring such videos. So I would like to know your valuable feedback, which matters a lot. And I just want to know that do you think that such videos are helpful for you? If you tell me, or if you give me any feedback or suggestions, it is going to help me a lot, because your suggestions and your feedback is matters a lot. I take it very positively. And please do tell me, do take out some time from your busy schedule, and please tell me if you liked this video or not, and should I bring more such videos. I'm talking about this reading video. So please do leave your feedback and whatever your suggestion about this video, and let me know. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day and bye.